from the vast universe to the green earth. From cutting-edge technology to the lives of every home, aluminum carries humans' infinite imagination for the future. And behind every legend of aluminum, there is a group of craftsmen forging the future. As a professional manufacturer of aluminum extrusion machines, Huanan Heavy Industry has been deeply engaged in the accumulation for 30 years. We take science and technology as the cornerstone, uses quality to empower the industry. We have accumulated craftsmanship over time and made strategic plans from our headquarters in Foshan City to the production base in Anping City. We have built a modern production capacity of 50,000 square meters, equipped with the complete range of heavy, large, medium, and small-scale machinery equipment, along with comprehensive quality inspection system. With full chain independent control, we lead the industry with confidence. Every machine we produce embodies both power and precision. The roar of 5-meter CNC vertical lathes and the whirl of 10-meter horizontal lathe echo from our workshops. With the might of 100-ton heavy cranes and massive boring mills, we sculpt every detail down to the micron. Over 30 rigorous quality inspections, from structure to performance, hydraulic circuits to electrical systems, components to the complete machine. Our zero-defect commitment ensures every extrusion press delivers unparalleled efficiency and stability. When innovation becomes a core element, every breakthrough by Huanan Heavy Industry rewrites industry standards. We continuously increase our R&D investment, attract top technical talent and equipment, and successfully developed several new extrusion machines with independent intellectual property rights. From constant power energy saving features to remote monitoring digital management systems, we lead industry transformation with innovation, meeting diverse client needs. From solar photovoltaic to new energy vehicles, from aerospace to rail transit, the extruder of Huanan Heavy Industry are delivering green power for high-end manufacturing and interpreting reliable with stable output. We are not only equipment manufacturers, but also enablers of cost reduction and efficiency improvement. From technical support to regular inspection, from spare parts priority to customized process upgrade, from the Nanhai to the Greater Bay Area, from China to the world. The long-term choice of more than 400 partners is the best explanation of our perfect service. The future of aluminum must be a symphony of green and intelligent. Standing as a new starting point of the dual carbon era, Huanan Heavy Industry will continue to uphold the development concept of innovation, sustainability, and sharing. We stand shoulder to shoulder with pioneers of our time, unlocking aluminum's limitless potential to co-create a bound new blueprint for intelligent green manufacturing. Precision machinery, the spirit of Huanan Heavy Industry.